This rabbit wanted to build a small house underground. But just then, a mole showed up and started showing off the blueprint for his new house, which was right next door. A house with 2 bedrooms and an exercise area. The rabbit felt embarrassed because in his own design, the bedroom and bathroom were in the same place. At that moment, a mouse arrived. He was a neighbor too. A house with 6 rooms and a separate bathroom. They insisted on seeing the rabbit's design. But the rabbit didn't want to show the blueprint of his small house and quickly packed up his things and ran away from there. The rabbit started digging even deeper. He now decided to build this very house and began digging. But suddenly, he ended up in a porcupine's house. Mrs. Porcupine offered him cookies, but the rabbit felt so uncomfortable that he ran away again. Then, as he kept digging, he suddenly fell into a lizard's bathtub. Embarrassed, he covered his eyes and started going down again. This time, he reached an ant colony where the ants were having a feast. The rabbit ran away from there as well. Now he realized that it had become very crowded underground. Finally, he reached a large and mysterious door. But just then, a monster growled. He was terribly frightened. He dug as deep as he could. When he saw that he had come quite far, he took out his map and began digging. But by mistake, he hit a layer of an underground river flowing beneath the ground. Water started seeping in. The rabbit tried to stop it. Even the ground above began to shake. When he saw that he was about to drown, he panicked. He immediately started going back up, knowing that he had put everyone in trouble. The rabbit, trembling with fear, knocked on the monster's door, but it wasn't the monster who opened it. It was a honey badger. The rabbit told him everything. He explained what a huge mistake he had made unknowingly and covered his face, crying. The badger roared loudly. Hearing his call, within moments, the animals living nearby gathered together with weapons. First, everyone started digging a new tunnel together so that the underground water would flow in a different direction. That team was very skilled and experienced. Finally, when everyone dug up to the surface, the water started to flow out and began to fall into a small lake. All the animals were very happy. They were just about to leave when they heard the rabbit's voice. He nervously showed his map and asked for help. Later, at a subsequent point in time, when he proceeded to activate the illumination device, specifically the light bulb, a remarkably straightforward and unadorned concept and uncomplicated notion began to form and solidify within his mind, representing a fundamental and elementary thought process.